All right, here's the other end of the spectrum. Ferrari's CEO has promised an electric vehicle in 2025. There was resistance amongst these historic supercar or sports car companies. They have done hybrid stuff in the past, some very, very fast hybrid vehicles, but there's been just, maybe it's not resistance, but maybe it's just part of the process. When you have the brand that Ferrari has, that you've been doing things a certain way meticulously for a period of time, you're not going to want to jump in right away. Ferrari has will unveil the first all-electric Ferrari in 2025. Even after the company confirms a new CEO over the past decade, execs have said Ferrari will never build an EV. So this is a bit of a shift. Here we have some quotations, some quotes. We are continuing to execute our electrification strategy in a highly disciplined way. And our interpretation and application of these technologies, both in motorsport and road cars, is a huge opportunity to bring the uniqueness and passion of Ferrari to new generations. They're right. I'll tell you what, they're right. Now, this is not exactly the same example as what happened with Porsche, but the Taycan has outsold 911s globally.
Is that right?
That's right. So it goes to show you that when you take a prestigious brand and you bring performance, but you also update it and electrify it, that there's a market for it. And I don't doubt that when Ferrari does an electric supercar, an electric Ferrari, that thing is going to be incredibly popular. Now, I don't know how many units they're going to make. You know, a lot of this stuff, like I said, is meticulous. It's not an automated process for manufacturing. So it's going to have a hefty price tag, but you know people are going to be lining up for that thing.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what.